In this demo, we highlight how HexaSync syncs product data from Microsoft Dynamics 365 Finance and Operations to Magento by creating a new item. Firstly, we will create the new item, and then the HexaSync platform will sync the data from Microsoft Dynamics 365 Finance and Operations to Magento. After logging into the Microsoft Dynamics 365 Finance and Operations system, go to the Product Information Management and then select Release Product. Next, create a new product. Click plus button, then fill in all the item information. But before creating a new product, make sure that this product is not available on Magento. Go to Magento, select Catalog, choose Products. Now on the search bar, type product name or SKU. We can see this product isn't available on Magento system. Back to Microsoft Dynamics 365 Finance and Operations to continue creating new product. Now we need to fill in the product number, product name, and information related. Save to update the item information. The product has been created successfully. Copy the product number, then go to the HexaSync dashboard to check if the product has been pulled to HexaSync. You are seeing the working interface of HexaSync. To test, we select the Product Sync task from Microsoft Dynamics Finance and Operations to Magento. Now, we will search for the product we just created using its product number. Here we can see the product has been pulled to HexaSync successfully. The appearance of destination ID means the product has been pushed to the Magento system. Back to Magento to check again. Now paste the product number into the search bar to search. The visible result is that the product has been successfully synchronized from Microsoft Dynamics Finance and Operations to Magento. I have showed you how to sync HexaSync platform products from Microsoft Dynamics 365 Finance and Operations to Magento. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. HexaSync. Connecting applications, transforming processes,